everyone, welcome back once again in my YouTube channel. This is Monica and you're watching Habit Tutor. So today I'm going to show you how you can use basic signs of coding in your Python. So this is the first Python series and this is the first video of the Python series actually. So today I'm going to show you how you can use it, the basic coding expressions in the Python. So this is the website, this is the official website of Python where from you can install or download your Python Python libraries. So download Python, directly click on it and you can install it in your system. As I have already installed the Python in my system, so I no need to install it again. But all the dependency whichever comes, you need to be click and you have to be install it in your system. Will not go for so further and let's continue with the series. Now I will open the new window here. Before we start the video, I will show you some kind of a extension. If you are using a VS Studio, then I always prefer the VS Studio, which is easy to use, or if you are a beginner, then it's very good to use and good to go. So here you need to use some Python extensions. If you will click like that, here are the many of Python extensions that you have to be installed. As I have already installed all the extensions, so that's why there is no options here to install it. But all the extensions you need to be install it, as like the Python language support extension, Python debugger extension, okay, popular Visual Studio extensions of Python. And so you need to install all these important extensions from here. And let's go to the here we do not have any folder. Now we're going to create a folder. So for that we're going to go in our desktop and here we'll create a one folder. So I've already created one folder as Python. Here I will delete this folder here and I will again the folder is Python okay. So I have created the folder here. The very shortest way you can do is to be drag and drop, which not never be taken less than 1 second. Okay. So here we have been created this. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create a one. Okay. So here we're going to create a file. That name must be in sorry. Okay, so don't forget to put the Python extension, which is the py. Whenever you're going to create a folder, if you are a beginner and you're going to create a such kind of file, then you do not get the forget to put the .py at the end of the file name. Simply, what we have to do is simply print on. What we have to do is here. Surely this hello columns hello world, and now how to run the Python program. So you need to go to the terminal. Here already the directory has been created. So what we need to do is we have to simply put the file name main.py and your answer will be here. So this is our output. Okay. So simply now we're going to do the simply addition program here. For the addition program, what we have to do is we have to create the variable now, the 10 we have, and for b we have a 20. Okay, and now we're going to do is print a plus b. Okay, so I will again, so the answer is here. For the same one, print a minus b have to the same one. We'll go here and we'll print. The first one is 30 and the second one is 10. Again, we need to do is print and we need to do is a minus b. We'll do save it and then here and then we can see the answer. Sorry, in multiply, we have to do the multiply here. Okay, and now that is the answer. Okay, and now we're going to do the division. For that, 8 divided by b. So what will be the answer? Okay, 0.5. And the same way we have to do is more. And okay, and then I'm going to do A or D. Now we're going to do is okay, then okay. So that's how the things to work. And another is division modules. We have done it. Okay. Now exponential signs which we use. Okay. I will also tell you why we use the exponential signs and what are the use of them. It is a number to the power of another number. Let's suppose. Okay. I'm going to show you print. We have done the print here, and now I'm a exponential sign b. So let's check it out. The what is our output here? Mm, okay. So it raises the power of the each number. Just suppose raise a number to power of another number. Each raises the keep raising the power of the another number. So that's how the exponential signs work. Then we talk about how the AND work, A and B, logical and then we'll talk about the logical OR. So what we're going to do is here, okay, logical operations and comparisons will do. So for that purpose, okay, so if A, B, okay, if A is greater than B and A is less than 0, so okay, so colon print A is greater than uh, B and sorry, we have to do A here. A needs to be changed into 20 and it needs to be 20. Okay. So now the things can work very high. Okay. A or यहाँ A is greater than B. Okay. So B here we can do this. So let's check it out. What is the output? No, greater. Check it out the output. Okay, A is greater than B. Invalid syntax perhaps for the camera. Forgot the comma, sorry. Forgot the commas. Hmm, sorry. Okay, we have the mistake here. Okay, okay, yeah, yeah. A is greater than B. So this kind of a sign, or here I will do some more complicated the situation here. If A equals to B, so what we're going to do is print A is greater than or equal to B. Okay. So A is greater than or equal to B. If the A is okay. So kind of that we need to do. But here the A is greater than B, but not not equals to. Yeah, you can get. Okay. So if we have then the two conditions about the if or if not. Uh, okay. So let's move on the next one. Then we're going to learn how to if B is equal greater than and equals to A, so print B is plus then or equal, when we're going to put this one, so the output is here. So that's how all the expressions will work. So we have done the parentheses, and here the parentheses we use always. So what are the use of these parentheses? I'm going to tell you. These are the parentheses. Okay. In the okay, here I'm going to tell you the one more thing. For the comment line. Okay, for the comment line. So suppose I want to do the comment here, then I will write everything here. So I want to talk about the parentheses. So I will put here the this is called the parentheses. This is the single line comment which we do. Okay, this is the single line comment that we do. So here what we're going to do is hash, and then we'll put the comment here. So I'm talking about the expression which is called the parenthesis. So here is this kind of expression called the parenthesis. Okay, so this kind of expression stands. Okay, now you must be confused about it. This is a single line comment, then what is the double line comment, like multiple line comment? So for the multiple line comment we have to do this, and the multi-line comment has been generated. So here you can write anything, whatever you want to tell. Suppose I want to do everything or that, any kind of, so you can do this one instead of a multi-line comment, or you can also do this one in the multi-line comment as well. So suppose just copy it and then like this. Yeah, this is the multi-line comment. So that's how you can do the multi-line comment and the single line comment in the Python. So keep watching my all the upcoming series of the tutorials so that you continue about the Python more and more. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned.